Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to set Google Maps as default app in Apple device. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you're gonna have to get two apps on your iPhone. Well, one is Google Maps app and another is Gmail app. You have to go ahead and download it from Apple App Store, then launch it, then sign in using your Google account. Now go ahead and open that Gmail app. Now on the top left corner, you're gonna see a three-line menu. Select it, then scroll down. Once you scroll down, you're gonna find settings option. Go to settings now. Scroll down there, then you're gonna see under general, the first option is default apps. Go ahead and select default apps there. Now, navigate from your location option will be almost at the end of your screen. You don't have to scroll down or anything there. Just make sure the Google Maps is selected there. Then your iPhone's default navigation app will be Google Maps. And guys, that's it. That's how you set Google Maps as default app in Apple device. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.